So today, I'm finna teach you how to turn this into some pressure. This finna be a 3-cheese tortellini pesto with the sauce made from scratch. You feel me? Tap in. These will be all the ingredients you will be needing for this recipe. So like, if y'all can't catch it on the screen, pause it. If y'all need be, I'll drop them in the comments for you. First, you wanna, get your water boiling. Drop your tortellini in the water. You can turn it down a tad bit, That's what I'm doing right now, turning it down. And then we're gonna cook these noodles al dente. You feel me? That's where it's a specific type of texture you're looking for. So once you get your noodle to the texture that you desire, you want to strain the water off. I ain't using no strainer. This tortellini is a bigger noodle. I got a little spoon, ain't nothing finna fall out. I am a pro, ladies and gentlemen. You feel me? Yeah. Keep a little bit of water just on the bottom. You feel me? Just a little bit. And I'm doing this the quick way today. You feel me? So I got the butter in the same pan as the noodles. I'm just gonna take about a tablespoon of butter, knock it off in there real quick. All right, now this, I got some Piano pesto, and I use about half of one. So I'm just gonna put this all up in there. Yeah, put it all up in there. More flavor for the neighbors, baby. So the first thing you might notice watching this video is that I look like I got on my little brother's shirt or something, man. I don't know what's happening to my clothes right now. Either they shrinking or I'm growing. But as y'all can see, I'm putting cheese all up in there. You feel me? It might look like a lot of cheese, but I swear for the Lord it is not. It's the right amount that you're gonna need. You feel me? So get all that cheese in there. You feel me? Like, yeah, that's a Chihuahua cheese. Yeah, that's pressure. American sliced cheese. And then I had some white American cheese too. Then you hit it with that heavy whipping. You feel me? Put that off in there. All the seasons that I showed y'all earlier. Salt and pepper to your likeness. You feel me? You don't want no high blood pressure. So this is the part where I'm finna put clean off my screen. And I done put the phone in slow motion. You hear me? Like I lick my lip. I'm looking like LL Cool J or something, motherfucker. Come on, man. Like, all I was trying to say was, you feel me? If you don't know how to cook, if you don't know how to clean while you cooking, by the time you get done cooking, your kitchen should be clean. You feel me? Yeah. Nah, I ain't even finna hold you. It was a little bit in the jar that I couldn't get out, so I put just a little bit of water in there. Like you do with the little spaghetti. Cause I want all the flavor, baby. Hit that mug, a couple tans. You feel me? Just a couple tans. Yeah, right in there. Got it all now, baby. So I put it on a medium high, and I just allowed all this stuff to just melt together. And I'm finna whip it real hard, you feel me? Whip it real hard, and let it sit for about 5 minutes after that. And I'm talking about, like, when she saw me cooking this, she thought I was back at it. Come on, man. You see that whip? Now this is what you left with, you feel me? This is creamy goodness right here. Nah. It don't look all glamorous because it ain't no all white plate or no all black plate, but I ain't doing no fake, man. I'm finna just bash real quick. Now I ain't finna hold you at all, right? Like, truth be told, I done started my little diet or whatnot. Technically I ain't even supposed to be eating no, pasta like this, but I'm like, why not? So this is what it's looking like, you feel me? Look at that. Now look. Hold on. And that salt, I got a fork and I'm scooping up the salt. That's a perfect texture, consistency, everything, you feel me? And if you want to make this, or if you do make this, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Or if you had made this before, or something similar, just let me know. All right, right on in a minute.